Devendra Fadnavis has taken oath as the Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra. But the big question is, what's on card for BJP, Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar? Maharashtra's newly elected Chief Minister has dropped a very big hint in an exclusive conversation with India Today about the much-awaited portfolio distribution within the state government. Watch this report.
मी देवेंद्र सरिता गंगाधरराव फडणवीस ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
Devendra Fadnavis takes the reins of one of India's richest states. The BJP, Shiv Sena and NCP are yet to finalize the composition of the Maharashtra cabinet. In an exclusive interview with India Today, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis hinted the leadership wants a mix of youth and experience in the new government.
हमारी चर्चाएं चल रही है। देखिए, सवाल परसेप्शन का ही होता है। मतलब सभी को न्याय मिला है, ऐसा परसेप्शन अगर क्रिएट नहीं हुआ तो उनकी पार्टियों में उनको सम्मान नहीं मिलता है। तो इसलिए हमारी बातचीत चल रही है।
Sources have confirmed the BJP is likely to secure significant portfolios, including the Home and Revenue Ministries, alongside the prestigious Speaker's position and the Chairperson of the Legislative Council. The Shiv Sena, led by Eknath Shinde, is expected to take charge of the Urban Development Ministry. The party is also eyeing the Legislative Council Chairman post. The Finance Ministry and Deputy Speaker's position are expected to go to Ajit Pawar's NCP. The Chief Minister also cleared the air on rumours of rift within the Mahayuti.
चूंकि ये डिसाइसिव मैंडेट हमको मिला और भारतीय जनता पार्टी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी बनी कि मुख्यमंत्री भारतीय जनता पार्टी का बनेगा। हमारे दोनों दोस्तों से हमने बातचीत की, उनको भी इस बात की मान्यता थी। उन्होंने भी ये कहा था कि ये जैसे हमारी महायुति को मैंडेट है, वैसे ही हमारी पहली बैठक में एकनाथ शिंदे जी ने इस बात को मान्य कर लिया था।
The day after the oath-taking ceremony in Mumbai, Shiv Sena UBT launched a fierce attack on Shinde, accusing him of undermining the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray.
If you look at it, Bharatiya Janata Party's known strategy has been to backstab its own political allies. He was used as a chief minister for 2.5 years, and as soon as they've gone into an election and come back again, they've discarded him as the CM, and he himself has publicly hinted that.
Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde firmly rejected accusations.
आणि अशा या महाराष्ट्राचं नेतृत्व 2.5 वर्ष करण्याची संधी माझ्यासारख्या सर्वसामान्य शेतकऱ्याच्या कुटुंबातल्या कार्यकर्त्याला बाळासाहेबांच्या आशीर्वादाने, धर्मवीर आनंदीके साहेबांच्या आशीर्वादाने मिळाली, हे मी माझं भाग्य समजतो। बाळासाहेब ठाकरे जी हमारे दिल में है, हमारे दिल में है।
With the Mahayuti winning a 3/4 majority, Fadnavis faced the tough challenge of pleasing all constituents of the alliance. But with the BJP just short of the majority mark, the Chief Minister is expected to get a free hand in running the affairs of the state. Bureau Report, India Today.